Hey, English learners! Welcome back to English You Never Learned.
The podcast where you learn real English for real life without feeling like you're stuck in a textbook. I'm Leo.
And I'm Emma. Today we're talking about something fun, but also powerful.
Learning English with movies.
If you've ever watched a movie in English and thought, I understood nothing, you're not alone.
Or you understood the story, but the speaking felt too fast.
Or you could read the subtitles, but you couldn't catch the words with your ears.
Today, we'll help you use movies the right way. Not just watching for entertainment, but watching to build listening, vocabulary, pronunciation, and confidence.
And we'll share our top 5 movie picks that are great for English learners, plus a simple method you can use with any movie.
Quick note, you don't need to watch hard movies to improve. You need the right level, the right method, and repetition.
Before we start, quick favor if this episode helps you. Like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who wants to improve English but gets bored with studying.
Especially the friend who says, I'll study tomorrow, and then watches movies anyway.
Great, let's turn that movie time into English time.
First, let's answer the big question. Why are movies so useful for learning English?
Because movies show English in real context. You see faces, emotions, body language, and situations.
Context is like a flashlight. It helps you understand even when you miss words.
Movies also teach natural speaking, how people shorten words, connect sounds, and use simple phrases.
And you learn what people actually say, not what textbooks think people say.
But there's a problem. Many learners watch movies in English for years and still don't improve much.
Because they watch passively.
Passive watching means you're just following the plot, usually with subtitles in your native language.
And your brain is reading, not listening.
So today, we'll show you how to watch actively without making it painful.
We'll give you a movie routine that takes only 15 to 30 minutes per day.
And then we'll give you 5 movie choices that work well with this routine.
Let's start with the routine. Emma, can you give the big picture?
Yes. Think of movie learning like going to the gym.
You don't lift the heaviest weight on day 1.
You repeat simple movements, you increase slowly, and you stay consistent.
So here's the routine. We call it the 3-2-1 method.
Step 1. Watch a short scene once for meaning.
Step 2. Watch the same scene again with English subtitles.
Step 3. Watch the same scene a third time without subtitles.
Then do one small speaking practice.
That's it. 3 watches, 1 speak.
The scene should be short, 1 to 3 minutes.
Short scenes are easier to repeat, and repetition is where learning happens.
Now, let's break down each step.
First, watch, meaning only. Don't pause. Don't translate. Just understand the story.
If you miss words, it's okay. Your job is to catch the situation.
Who is speaking? Are they happy, nervous, angry, excited?
That's already real comprehension.
Second watch, English subtitles. Now you match sound to text.
This is where you notice reductions like going to, becoming gonna.
Or did you becoming didya.
Don't write 10 pages. Write only 3 things.
3 useful phrases, not single words.
Example, are you serious? No way. That makes sense.
These are high-use chunks you can actually say in real life.
Third watch. No subtitles. Your goal is to hear more than the first time.
Even a small improvement is a win.
After the third watch, do the speaking practice.
Choose 1 line from the scene. Just 1.
Repeat it 5 times, copying rhythm and emotion.
This is called shadowing. You're training your mouth and ears together.
Then change 1 word to make it yours.
Example, original line, I can't believe you did that.
Your version. I can't believe I forgot that.
Now the line becomes part of your English.
Great. That's the method.
Now we promise top 5 movies. But first, how do we choose the right movies for learners?
Great question. Here's the clear test.
C. Clear voices. You can hear the words.
L. Limited slang. Some slang is fine, but not nonstop.
E. Everyday topics. Family, school, work, friendship.
A. Appropriate speed. Not too fast all the time.
R. Repeatable scenes. The scenes have simple, memorable lines.
If a movie passes the clear test, it's a strong choice.
Also, choose movies you enjoy. Enjoyment creates consistency.
Now, let's share our top 5 picks chosen because they have clear dialogue, familiar situations, and lots of useful everyday phrases.
We'll also tell you what you can learn from each one.
Movie number 1, Finding Nemo.
Yes. Animated movies are often excellent for learners because the voices are clear and the story is easy to follow.
Finding Nemo is about a father looking for his son.
The emotions are strong, so you understand a lot from context.
You'll learn basic conversation phrases like, "Are you okay? Let's go. I'm sorry."
And you'll get lots of repetition, which helps memory.
Also, characters speak with different styles. Marlin is anxious. Dory is playful.
That helps you learn tone.
Here's how you can use it. Pick a scene with Dory and practice short lines.
Dory's lines often have simple grammar and friendly rhythm.
Great for confidence.
Movie number 2, The Pursuit of Happiness.
This one is more emotional and realistic.
It's about work, money, stress, and hope.
You'll learn job-related English, interview phrases, and everyday street conversation.
Also, the main character speaks clearly in many scenes, even when he's under pressure.
That's useful because real life is stressful too.
And the movie teaches you a powerful feeling. You can keep going even when it's hard.
That motivation helps learners continue.
If you use our method with this movie, choose scenes like meeting new people, interviews, and short conversations with his son.
Great for practical English.
Movie number 3, The Intern.
This is a modern, workplace-friendly movie.
It's about a young CEO and an older intern.
The language is professional but still simple.
You learn office phrases like, "Let's touch base, I'll follow up. Do you have a minute?"
And you learn polite small talk with coworkers.
The pace is not too fast, and many scenes are calm conversations.
It's also a good movie to practice polite tone and soft confidence.
Movie number 4, Paddington.
This one is a hidden gem for learners.
It's warm, funny, and the language is clear.
The story is simple. A bear moves to a new place and tries to fit in.
That's literally what many language learners feel like.
You'll learn polite British-style phrases like, "Pleased to meet you," "If you don't mind," "Would you like?"
And you learn social English, how to be friendly, how to apologize, how to ask for help.
Great for learners who want everyday relationship language.
Movie number 5, Home Alone.
Classic.
The language is simple, the situation is clear, and there are many repeated lines.
You learn family, English, short exclamations, and everyday commands.
Also, because it's a comedy, you learn tone, surprise, fear, excitement.
But a warning. Some yelling scenes may be fast.
So choose calm scenes for practice, like conversations with neighbors or family.
Great. Those are our 5.
Now, we want to help listeners use movies without getting stuck.
Let's talk about common problems and solutions.
Problem 1, I don't understand anything.
Solution. Lower the level. Choose animated films or slower dialogue.
Also, choose familiar stories.
When you already know the plot, your brain can focus on English, not confusion.
Problem 2, I rely on subtitles too much.
Solution. Use a subtitle ladder.
First, native language subtitles only for the first watch if needed.
Second, English subtitles on the second watch.
Third, no subtitles on the third watch.
Over time, reduce native subtitles.
Problem 3, I forget new words.
Solution. Don't collect words. Collect phrases.
Words are bricks. Phrases are buildings.
If you learn take, it's not enough.
But if you learn take a break, take your time, take care, now you can speak.
Write phrases and use them.
Problem 4, I don't know what to practice.
Solution. Practice the same type of scenes.
For example, greetings, apologies, invitations, asking for help.
These show up in many movies.
If you master these scene types, your everyday English improves fast.
Now, let's do something very practical. A set of phrases you can steal from movies and use in real life.
We'll group them by purpose.
First, starting a conversation.
Hey, what's up?
How's it going?
Long time no see.
What have you been up to?
Next, reacting.
No way.
You're kidding.
That's amazing.
That makes sense.
I get it.
Next, asking for clarification.
Sorry, what do you mean?
Can you say that again?
Did you say?
I'm not sure I understand.
Next, polite social phrases.
Do you mind if I...
Would you like to?
Thanks, I appreciate it.
That's very kind of you.
Next, feelings.
I'm a little nervous.
I'm really excited.
I'm not sure how I feel about that.
These lines appear everywhere in movies.
Now, we want to give you a 7-day movie plan, because some learners do better with a schedule.
Yes. Here's a simple weekly plan.
Day 1. Choose your movie and pick one scene.
Day 2, do the 3-2-1 method with the same scene.
Day 3. Same scene again, but focus on pronunciation and rhythm.
Day 4, pick a second scene with similar topic and repeat.
Day 5. Shadow one character for 2 minutes.
Day 6, retell the scene in your own words, simple English.
Day 7. Record yourself speaking for 1 minute about the movie. What happened, what you liked, and one phrase you learned.
This plan is short, but it builds real listening skills.
Emma, can we share a personal story about learning through movies?
Yes. When I was learning, I used to watch movies with subtitles in my own language.
Sama,
I thought I was learning, but my listening didn't improve much.
because reading is easier than listening.
Exactly. Then I tried something different. I chose one scene from a movie I loved.
And you repeated it?
Yes. I repeated the same 2-minute scene for a week.
Many learners think that sounds boring.
But it was the opposite. I started noticing new things each time.
Like hidden words.
Exactly. I heard the linking sounds. I heard the stress.
And the scene became comfortable.
After that, real conversations felt less scary because my ears were trained.
I had a similar experience with a sitcom. I copied one character's lines.
And
At first, I felt silly, but then I noticed my speech became smoother.
because you were copying real rhythm.
Yes, rhythm is a secret key, not just words, music.
English has music.
And movies teach that music.
Now, let's talk about one advanced idea that is still simple.
Listening for signal words,
Signal words are words that tell you what's coming next.
like but, so, because, actually, anyway.
If you catch these, you can follow the logic even if you miss other words.
Example, I wanted to go, but
You know something is changing.
I was late because.
You know a reason is coming.
Practice catching signal words in movie scenes.
It's like road signs.
Exactly.
Another powerful idea, listen for chunks, not individual words.
Native speakers speak in chunks.
You know what I mean? Is one chunk.
Do you want to? Is one chunk.
Your job is to catch chunks.
How do you do that?
Repetition. The brain starts grouping words automatically.
And the 3-2-1 method supports that.
Exactly.
Now, we should help listeners who feel embarrassed speaking lines out loud.
Yes. If you feel shy, start quietly.
Whisper shadowing works.
Or do it while walking.
Or in your room.
The point is to use your mouth.
Because listening and speaking are connected.
If you train both, your comprehension grows faster.
Now, one more big question learners ask. Should I watch movies or TV shows?
Both are good, but they help differently.
Movies give you one complete story.
TV shows give you repetition of characters and settings.
Repetition is great for learners.
If you choose a TV show, pick one with clear speech and everyday topics.
And repeat the same episode sections.
But today's episode is focused on movies, so let's keep it simple.
Choose one movie you enjoy.
Use short scenes.
Repeat them.
Collect phrases.
Shadow one line.
Use it in your life.
If you do that, your listening will improve.
Not overnight, but noticeably.
And the most important part is this. Stop trying to understand every word.
Understand the message.
Catch the chunks.
Enjoy the story.
and train your ear with repetition.
Before we end, we want to give you a small challenge.
Pick one movie from our list.
Choose one scene
Use the 3-2-1 method for 7 days.
and write one phrase you stole.
Then, say it in your own sentence.
If you do that, you are not just watching, you are building English.
Thanks for spending this time with us.
You didn't waste it, you invested it.
This was English You Never Learned with Emma and Leo.
Until next time, keep listening, keep speaking, and let movies train your ears.
Bye.